Pesawat Presiden Prabowo Subianto disambut pengawalan dua pesawat tempur F-16 Angkatan Udara Jordania ketika akan mendarat di Yaman. Prabowo sempat bertukar ucapan selamat bulan Ramadan pada pilot pesawat F-16.
We are honored to welcome you to Jordanian airspace, and it's a great honor to escort your flight this evening. Wishing you a pleasant stay and a safe landing. Ramadan Mubarak, sir.
This is President Prabowo Subianto of Indonesia. I would like to thank you and your flight for receiving me.
Lewat komunikasi radio dalam kokpit, pilot F-16 Angkatan Udara Jordania menyampaikan salam Ramadan dan merasa terhormat menyambut Presiden Prabowo Subianto di Jordania. Menanggapi sapaan itu, Prabowo menyampaikan apresiasi dan rasa terima kasih. Pengawalan udara ini menjadi simbol kehormatan dari Presiden Jordania kepada Presiden Indonesia dalam lawatan resmi bilateral Indonesia dan juga Jordania.
I would like to thank you and your flight for receiving me, for escorting me, and please pass on to your commanding officer and His Majesty how pleased I am to be back here in Amman in Jordan. Thank you very much. Lion Flight, this is Indonesia One. Once again, Ramadan Mubarak. Wish you all the best in this holy month.